Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are about to explore an entirely new explanation for the existing double-slit experiment. You know, that is a famous experiment that is known to you, and you can see both the interference pattern and the particle-like nature of light as a result of the experiment. When the observation is not made, in that case you get interference pattern of light on the screen. And when observation is made, in that case you get the particle-like nature of light or photons on the screen. So that thing is known to you. Interference pattern and again particle-like nature. And that way there is a concept of wave-particle duality. So all these things are known to you. And what was the explanation for this thing? Explanation was that photon particles were passing through both the slits at the same time. In case of double slit experiment, you know, two slits are there. So photons were passing just like ghosts. Okay, photons were passing through both the slits simultaneously. Anyway, so that was all about the same experiment, but that was the explanation. But according to new explanation, few physicists have proposed this idea, and according to this idea, they have taken the help of quantum optics. Okay, so using quantum optics, they have tried to explain the same thing, means same experiment, but in a different way. And in this new concept or in this new explanation, there is a concept of bright states and dark states. Bright states are those which interact with matter and is measurable. Means bright states are measurable, and these bright states interact with matter. And there is also one more state known as dark states. Dark states are invisible, means those are not measurable, but they influence the outcomes. So this is the difference between bright states and dark states of light. Means these are nothing but quantum states of light, bright and dark. So during double slit experiment, what happens actually when the observation is not made? In that case, a superposition occurs. Superposition of bright states and dark states occur, and that way we get the interference pattern on the screen. This is according to the new explanation. Okay, superposition occurs between the bright states and dark states of light, or better to say bright quantum state of light and a dark quantum state of light. Superposition occurs, and that way we get interference pattern on the screen. But when the observation is made, you know, dark states are not visible. Those are invisible, but they influence the outcome. So when the observation is made, we can see only distinct spots on the screen. Only distinct spots. Okay, because dark states are not visible. Bright states, those things are only visible. That's why we get distinct points on the screen, and according to the previous explanation, there is a collapse of wave function, and we see the particle-like nature of photons on the screen. That is according to the previous or existing, better to say existing, explanation. This new proposal, okay, this new proposal still is not accepted by the scientific community. Few physicists have just proposed this idea. They have just proposed this new explanation. So they have taken the help of quantum optics, and in that concept, bright states are there, dark states are there, and with the help of these dark states and bright states, okay, they have tried to explain the same experiment in a new way. And if this new explanation is proved to be correct, okay, Still it is not correct. It is not, means actually it is not accepted by all the scientists. This new explanation. Anyway, if this really happens, if this new explanation becomes acceptable by all the physicists, then we will get a new idea about quantum mechanics. We will get a new idea about the true nature of reality. Because you can see there is a drastic change between these two concepts, the previous or the existing one with the new explanation. Okay, there is a drastic change. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and so topic was what? Rethinking the double-slit experiment. Experiment remains the same, results remain the same, interference pattern, particle-like nature, okay, when observed, when not observed. So everything remains the same, just the explanation. There is a change in the explanation. That's why the title is given that way, Rethinking Double-Slit Experiment. With the help of what? With the help of dark states. All these things are happening due to dark states. So you can see, you can say that quantum coherence occurs when not observed the experiment. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.